Hi, hello, good morning. I'm back. This is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. I know you miss me so much, and of course, I miss you too. All right, it's been a long time we haven't a video class here, and this morning, let's resume with our video class. Okay, so today is Tuesday, and our subject this morning is mathematics. Okay, so are you ready? All right, so before anything else, I just want to say congratulations to all of you, especially to your mother and your father for guiding you during our 1 week Google exam. Okay, so thank you so much. And I really appreciate with your effort, especially your scores. I am so very proud of you. Okay, so it shows that you really learn with our lessons. Okay, so just keep up the good work and make your mother and father are proud of you. All right. So this morning we will going to continue our lesson, our class discussion here in mathematics. Okay, can you remember what we talked the last meeting in mathematics? All right. Okay, so without a further ado, let's start with our lesson this morning. And so this morning is we were going to continue with our uh, topic about subtraction. Okay, so welcome to Primary 1, the English program. And our subject this morning is mathematics. And what is our topic this morning? We will going to discuss about how to add and subtract the number within 9. Okay, so the previous week, are you able to know how to add the numbers? And the last week, the last meeting as well, you able to know how to identify what are what how to subtract the number and how to identify who is the minuend, who is the subtrahend, and of course the equals, or should I say the difference. All right, so this morning is the continuation of our topic about the subtraction, but in addition of it, we have the addition. So we will know how to add and subtract the different numbers. Okay, so are you ready? All right, so very good. Now, I'll show you a pictures here, and we were going to count the number of this object. Okay, so what is our first object here? So again, we will talk about the addition and subtraction. All right. So the first example we have here is this one. Okay, so look at the screen. Okay, so we have here the balloon, and then that is green. Okay, later on you would know what colors of balloons do we have. All right, so let us count the number of the green balloon. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, so we have 3 green balloons. All right, again, we have 3 green balloons. Okay, so another balloons here, we have blue balloons. Okay, so how many blue balloons do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we have 4 blue balloons and we have 3 green balloons. All right, so if we will count the balloons all together, how many balloons do we have? Okay, let's count again. Again, how many balloons do we have if we will count all together? Okay, let's start with the first balloon first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 balloons all together. So again, how many balloons do we have all together? So we have 7 balloons. Now this time, I will going to ask you, and then you have to analyze according to the colors of the balloons. Okay, so our first question is, we have 7 balloons, and then, all right, so the question is, how many balloons, again, how many blue balloons do we have? How many blue balloons do we have? Now, to write in these boxes, we have to count first the total balloons, okay? So first question is, how many blue balloons do we have? Okay, so first, we have to identify the total number of the balloons. So we have 7 balloons, okay? So minus 3 green balloons. And the answer is, we have 4 blue balloons. Again, how many blue balloons we have? Again, how many blue balloons do we have? So we have to write first the total number of the balloons minus the 3 green balloons. So we have to write here, and the answer is, we have 4 blue balloons. Okay, so therefore, if we are going to add the number 3 green balloons plus 4 blue balloons, we have 7 balloons. All right. Okay, next question. How many green balloons do we have? Again, how many green balloons do we have? So this time we have to write first the total number of the blue balloons. Okay, so again, another one. How many balloons do we have? So we have to write the 4 blue balloons plus the 3 green balloons. So the total of the balloons altogether is 7. Again, 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. 4 blue balloons plus 3 green balloons is equals 7 balloons. Have you seen that? Okay, very good. Now let's have another examples here. Let's count the number of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, as you can see, we have 9 apples, but there are 2 different colors. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 red apples. And we have 1, 2, 3, we have 3 green apples. All right, so the question is, how many apples are there altogether? How many apples are there altogether? So let's count first. I am asking for the total number of the apple. Okay, let's count the numbers of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 apples altogether. So we have to write here the number 9. All right, so this time, let us use the subtraction method by answering the questions. Okay, so if we have 9 balloons minus, okay, so the question is, how many green apples do we have? Again, how many green apples do we have? So we have to write first the total number of the apples, which is 9 minus. So what number we have to write here? So that is the 6 red apples. For you to be able to know the number of the green apples, so 9 minus 6 is equals 3 green apples. All right, so how many green apples do we have? Using the method of subtraction, we have to write first the total number of the apples, which is 9. So 9 minus the red apples, which is 6, is equals to 3 green apples. So the answer is we have 3 green apples. Okay? All right, so now this time, let us answer by this question. How many red apples do we have? How many red apples do we have? Okay, first, we have to write the total number of the apples, which is 9 apples, minus, since the question is looking for the number of the red apples, so therefore, we have to write the number of the green apples. So 9 minus 3, and that is equals to, how many red apples do we have? Very good. So we have 6 red apples. 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. Or, using the addition method, 6 red apples plus 3 green apples is equals to 9 apples altogether. Have you seen that? Okay, very good. Now, we have another one. Okay, let's count the number of the different colors of the cups. So we have the blue cups here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we have 4 blue cups. Or we can say 4 blue mugs. All right? Okay, and let's check another color of the mugs or cups. Oh, so we have pink. So let us count the number of the pink cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So we have 4 pink cups or 4 pink mugs. All right. So the question is, how many cups or mugs do we have all together? All right. So by writing this, all right, we have another one here. So another one for the pink. Okay, so the total number of the pink cups is 5. All right. Okay, so writing in this box, so how many mugs or cups do we have all together? So let's count first the total number of the mugs or cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we have 9 cups or 9 mugs all together. Okay, so now this time, let us answer the question. So the first question is, how many blue cups or how many blue mugs do we have? All right, so we have to write first the total number of the cups or mugs. So we have 9. So 9 minus, okay, what number we have to write here in our subtrahend? So since I am asking for how many blue mugs or blue cups do we have? So therefore, we have to write the number, the total number of the pink cups or the total number of the pink mugs, and that is 5. All right, so we have now the equation here. So 9 minus 5. So the answer is we have 4. No, it should be 4. Okay. All right. Sorry for the some interruptions. It should be 4. All right. Let's continue. All right. Okay. So 9 minus 5 equals 4 blue mugs or 4 blue cups. All right. Next question. How many pink cups do we have? So we are looking for the number of pink cups or pink mugs. First, we have to, what is the number we have to write here? Stands for our minuend. So we have 9. We have 9 cups or 9 mugs. All right, so what is our subtrahend? Since I am looking for the number of the pink cups or pink mugs, so we have to write the number of the blue mugs or blue cups, and that is 4. So 9 is our minuend and 4 is our subtrahend. So what is our difference? Since I am looking for the total number of the blue mugs or blue cups. So we have very good. So 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. All right. If we use the addition method, we can say that 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Or 4 plus 5 is equals to 9 mags. Okay, now this time, let us check here. Okay, so our example here is about the colors of the crayons. Okay, let us check the number. Let us check the color of the crayons. 1. Okay, so first we have the orange. Okay, let us count the number of the orange crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we have 5 orange crayons. Okay, we have 5 orange crayons. Okay, let us check another color. Okay, so that is red. Okay, let us count the number of the red crayons. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think we have only 3 red crayons. And then we have 5 orange crayons. So the question is, how many crayons do we have altogether? How many crayons do we have altogether? So let us count first the total number of the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is there are 8 crayons altogether. So we have to write here inside the box number 8. All right, now our first question to answer is, how many orange crayons do we have? Again, how many orange crayons do we have? So what is our minuend? So our minuend is 8. So 8 minus, what would be our subtrahend? Okay, very good. So we have to write the 3 stands for the 3 red crayons. All right, so since we have now the equation 8 minus 3, for you to be able to know the number of the orange crayons, so we have to write such as like this. 8 minus 3 equals, how many orange crayons do we have? Very good. We have 5 orange crayons. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 8 is our minuend, and 3 is our subtrahend. And what is our difference? And our difference is 5. All right, next question. How many red crayons do we have? How many red crayons do we have? So first, we have to count the total number of the crayons stands for our minuend. So we have 8 crayons. 8 minus, what would be our subtrahend? Since I am looking for the orange crayons. So we have to write here the 5. And that is equals to 3 red crayons. So 8 is our subminuend, and 5 is our subtrahend, and 3 is our difference. Using the addition method, we can say that 5 plus 3 is equals to 8 crayons, or 3 plus 5 is equals to 8 crayons. All right. Okay, let's do have another last examples. Okay, so our object for now is birds. Okay, let's check the number of the bluebirds. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So we have only 3 bluebirds. Okay. Okay, so we have another yellow birds. Okay, let us count the number of the yellow birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So the question is, how many birds do we have altogether? How many birds do we have altogether? Okay, at this time, let us count the number of the birds. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore, our answer is we have 7 birds altogether. So another one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 birds altogether. All right, so let us answer this question. All right, so how many yellow birds do we have? How many yellow birds do we have? All right, at first, we have to write the total number of the birds stands for our minuend. So we have 7 minus what would be our subtrahend. Since I am looking for the number of yellow birds, so therefore we have to write the number of the bluebirds. So that is 3. 3 is our subtrahend. So what is our difference? So 7 minus 3 is equals to 4 yellow birds. Very good. 7 is our minuend, 3 is our subtrahend, and 4 is our difference, okay, or our final answer. All right, now another question. How many bluebirds do we have? How many bluebirds do we have? Now this time, let us know the total number of the birds. So we have 7 birds. 7 stands for minuend minus, since I am looking for the number of bluebirds, so our subtrahend should be the number of the yellow birds. So how many yellow birds do we have? So that is 4. All right, so 7 minus 4 is equals to, what is our difference? Our difference is the bluebirds. And how many bluebirds do we have? All right, so we have 3 bluebirds. Using the addition method, we can say that 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Or 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. All right, so that is very easy. Do you think it's easy? Isn't it? All right, very good. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy with our lesson. This is our last discussion about how to subtract and add the numbers. And the next meeting, you will answer and we will talk about how to subtract the numbers using the, what do you think? All right, very good. Next meeting, you will know and you will learn how to subtract the numbers using the word problem. It could be uh, it could be a little bit tough for you, but don't worry, I am here to help you how to answer, to subtract the number using the word problem. All right, so that's all for today. This is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. Sawadee Kap and have a good day. Bye-bye.